Yeah, nobody reacted. Tell that motherfucker next door to suck a fat chode. Shut up, chode. Suck a chode. Shut up. Suck a chode. Suck fat chode and shut the fuck up. Take this dick, fucker. Take its whole girth. Right down. Right down. Don't spit it out. All the way down, bitch. Shut the fuck up. The school reacted horribly to what? I just got done telling you about my 20-year school of POW camp. What school are you talking about? Because it sounds like you were gonna allude to the school didn't like the girls that I want to fuck. Does that make any sense? The general, the, the factory overseer and the company commander came down and said we don't like what you're fantasizing about, or or that I was in prison for way too long. There's no way you can justify this to any rational individual. It should be tried in a world court. Head should fucking roll. Roly poly fucking fuckheads down the street. Fucking motherfucking baseball fucking bats. Machine guns. I fuck Amelia head. That's all I could see. His freedom, step on a plane, fucking Amelia in the airplane bathroom the whole fucking way, like 20 times, and people are getting pissed. Jerking me off in the fucking airliner, getting kicked off and having to get redirected. Just tell me when. I'll bend down and catch it with my fucking mouth. Swallow the shit when I tell her to. Hold it in your mouth. Now give me a kiss. Now swallow it. Throws her head back. Come pig it, Dad. Oh, I love you, bitch. Fucking come pig. Come pig it. Just rubbing titty as I'm talking to you. Sir, you're gonna have to you can't behave like this in the what? As I'm just rubbing a Mila titty with my fingers as I'm talking to you. Is it something I'm doing? And just slowly circling a nipple and getting it hard, pinching it. You can't do that, sir. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna finger fuck Mila the whole way. Leave all of you behind. I don't care about your school. I'm sick of hearing about the school. Mila reacted violently to her pussy did to the fact she's like, holy shit. She's like the world's biggest cum tribute for my pussy. It's cool. Put her tongue out. She watches my cum shots and licks the screen, dude. That's the way I want it. I work hard on that pussy. Real hard. You better be a. How could you replace the Milaba? You're replaceable. You ready, little girl? You ready to get your fucking head fucked? In all senses of the word? Ah, little girl.